corner. They put a shot in at them face. Them feel know me big man.
The cream and me tell you now, Lee Falkland, Joe Blade, say, left on the scene, yeah. I know just, no love.
Yeah, what's style, man? For your device, I don't know, so I want fully brave God Skeleton, then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Tell me if you make them know I'm in a freedom. But the man them
I know trust, tell them say, I'm up more. If you this say, you get a face boss. Anyway, anytime, anyhow. I know trust, I know love. Clad is sweet, but it make me like a girl. I'm gonna get a quick bro. Me evil for. Me dark up the place and get it in top. Never want to be clean. It ain't easy, motherfucker girl.
Viewers and subscriber, me know say a long time I no hear my voice, but me I tell you no say yo, you see them three artists when me I go review, me want to know guys to give them the support because them I go be dancehall next baddest thing. Me not tell no lie viewers and subscriber. Yes, money first on the list, name El Gringo. You see me? He's an artist who just start when he scene, see him here. You can go follow him. IG, right? That's a said way. You see me? Soji TV Entertainment would appreciate it. The next one on the list, named Capo Wally. In Japa song name Big Bad and Brave. He's a Ghana artist, viewers and subscribers. I want to know guys to go give him the support to make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment. Send him over there. You see me? No joke. You see the other artists when I go review, I'm my youngest one out of all of them. Goes by the name of Young Roots. You can find him Vivo at Young Roots man. You see me? Yeah man, Roots man. So you can go give them the support. They want to make some bad music, viewers and subscriber. You see me? El Gringo now, him just a start on the scene. You see me? Other the invite him first song we ever have voice. You see me? Them not like you guys to go over there and give him the support. Make him know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see me viewers and subscribers, so you don't know, so me appreciate you all. Yes man, for you show me the support and I give me the support. You see me? No joke. Soji TV Entertainment appreciate you also. Please go over artist them channel Vivo and give them the support. You see me? Motivate them. Because you don't know Soji alone can motivate them, you know, but me can make people help me motivate them. So I want my viewers and subscribers them go over the artist them Vivo and give them the support. Make them know say a Soji TV Entertainment sending over there. You see me? No joke.